Kulit ni Kuya. Ano usually ruta nyo pag aakit kayo ng Tagaytay?
So ito yung bag.
Bike is in good running order. Walang problema sa leaks. Baka may alam kayong mga masarap na breakfast place dito sa Tagaytay or around the area. Good morning guys! Finally, nakapag-ride uli. It's been a while. I think it's about a little over a month since na last nakapag-ride ako properly. And it's because of three things actually. First, katrangkaso ako, I got sick. Pangalawa, well, start ng bagong school year. In case you didn't know, I am a high school teacher here in the Philippines. So, medyo busy pag dating sa start of classes, especially since we are implementing the new curriculum, new senior high school curriculum. So, syempre, kailangan medyo mag-read up and prepare. And unfortunately, the third reason is there was a death in the family. So, the death of my aunt. So, naubos din yung oras natin doon. So, medyo there wasn't enough time to actually ride. But yeah, anyway, we're here. We are finally riding. Finally makapag-enjoy tayo with the bike. Nisip ko nga baka nagtatampo na to kasi after it's been a while since ang last proper ride natin, and mostly nakatalukbong lang to sa loob ng bahay, sa garahe. So ngayon lang siya magkakaroon ng proper ride in a while. So we're going to have a chill ride, going to Tagaytay, our favorite place, and have some coffee, have our morning brew. Kulit ni Kuya. So yeah, we're going up to Tagaytay, have some coffee, relax a bit, and then mentally recharge and reset for the next school week. Siyempre papakiramdaman din natin yung bike kasi as per our last video, kakapalit lang ng coolant. So ayun, siyempre we have to make sure na walang nagas, walang tagas, walang natulo, mahigpit ang mga bolts na dapat mahigpit. So parang yung graphic kasi tumatakbo, so ang term nila pag ganyan parang shakeout run ba or something. So ito, shakeout ride. So we're not gonna go full ham on our ride today. Enough lang para ma-observe if everything's working properly, working fine. Also testing out a new bag today. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya, pero ito siya sa screen. It's a Hanuman waist pack. Kung doon sa mga familiar sa Hanuman, isa siyang local brand na, well, at least for me, na-encounter ko siya when I was starting out mountain biking. And yung mga shorts tsaka mga bag dati. And now they ventured into motorcycle stuff. So tinignan ko, okay naman. It looks similar to a well-known bag, a branded bag. Kaso alam nyo naman ako, El Cheapo. If it looks the part, holds the exact same amount of stuff, but it's basically 25% the cost of the branded one, eh dito na lang ako. Yeah, mukhang makulimlim lang dun sa side na yun ha. Sana naman wag tayo ulanin. Ano usually ruta nyo pag akit kayo ng Tagaytay? Kasi may mga kilala ako sa Nuvali pa dumadaan. Dami kasing stoplight dun. Ako gusto ko dito lang, rekta ng Calax, para akit agad. Transition saka June, Mondraker June. Ano kaya to? So as this is a shakedown ride nga, we're just going to take it slow. Chill lang tayo. And check if everything's working properly. Parang maganda dyan sa Kubli. Na-try nyo na ba dyan, guys? Actually, maraming mga interesting na lugar dito. Pero parang hesitant ako mag-try kasi baka di masarap. Naka-experience na kasi kami, mahal-mahal din naman masarap. Alam mo yun, so parang gusto sana namin makatry yung sure okay. Katulad dyan na parang alam ko may mga nakatry na sa mga ganyan, yung mga dito sa area na to. Aristocrat. Next time. Yung girlfriend ko kasi hindi pa daw nakatry dyan sa Aristocrat, kaya gusto ko na siya dalhin dyan. Nga old people place. Soon to open Lipa Grill. Interesting kasing place dito, coffee shops dito or breakfast places dito sa may side na to. Kaso parang bihira siya mapuntahan kasi ayun oh, ganda oh. Andyan din ang mushroom burger, paborito. Tayo magsinangag express. Walang helmet si Idol. Ride safe. Nasa ulap tayo guys. We're in the clouds. Wow, tagal ko lang din na-experience to. Hi guys, ganda. Nasa ulap tayo. We are in the clouds.
So ito yung bag. Hanuman siya. I know it looks like an R3 bike, the R3 bike Riga, pero you know, basically the same thing. B-roll rin siya. Dito yung flat tire kit ko. Something here, lalagyan. And then the main compartment ay up here. Tapos may belt loop dito. Ayan. Ayun lang. Works.
So time to go home. Everything looks fine. Wala namang tulo. Eh. No littering. So saying, no leaks. Engine is running cool. Although yes, we are in Tagaytay. The weather is cool. Pero no issues naman. So I guess aside from maybe cleaning, the bike is in good working order. Ay. Ay, sir. Ano ko lang. Wait ko lang. Ay, teka lang si sir. Sige po, okay lang. Take your time. Sige lang po, sige lang po. Thank you. 660. Thank you po, sir. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Okay. Bike is in good running order. Walang problema sa leaks. Okay. Okay yung pag-flush ng coolant natin. So, hindi ko na mapatagalin, no? Gusto ko lang malaman, baka may mga suggestions kayo for yung mga tagong, mga hidden gem ba? Na mga restaurants, cafes, mga restaurant na, mga breakfast place. Baka meron kayong mga marirecommend na mga breakfast place na talagang masarap, ha? Yung masarap talaga, ha? So as I was saying, baka may alam kayong mga masarap na breakfast place dito sa Tagaytay or around the area, pupuntahan ko. Kasi para may iba naman, para may bago. So if you have any recommendations, put it down below. And I'll see you next time. Everyone, ride safe, have fun, enjoy the rest of your month, your week, your day. Have a nice day, everyone. See you later. Bye-bye.